Hey, what's going on? A little while ago, I went down the street from me, checked out this 335i that one of my friend's subscribers had for sale. I didn't know the car was going to be for me. I thought it was going to be like a channel project for him. Then I started talking to people more because I picked up the car that same day, started talking to people. They're like, you know what? You already have this other car you do work on, and do work on this car. You might as well start a YouTube channel. So that's what I decided to do. So I got the car 2 weeks ago. So I have 2 weeks of footage on that car. Also 2 weeks of footage on my Genesis Coupe. It's on my Instagram page if you want to see. So I have quite a bit of footage, and so I'm gonna work through editing, posting. I'm gonna try to get some really quality content out. None of that like couple like small mods, nothing like that right now. Like everything I've done have been pretty big mods and upgrades like paint jobs, new bumpers, wings, things like that. So if you're interested in seeing that, I will be posting that throughout these next couple of weeks, and I'm going to be getting more footage as well. So this first couple of, well, maybe just the first video itself has a lot of iPhone footage because I didn't know I was going to start YouTube yet. So I didn't have like my GoPro. I have a Canon I also shoot with. I have some footage with that, but mostly just iPhone. But later in the video, it'll switch to GoPro and the Canon. And then all the videos from now until then will be mostly GoPro, mostly Canon with a little bit of iPhone stuff. So yeah, don't worry, it's not going to be all iPhone. Um, I did do a lot of research before I bought all my components and stuff, so I hope you enjoy the content. Let me know any criticisms you have, and we'll get right into it. Hey, so I just picked up a new to me E92 335i 2007. So it's pretty clean on this side. The bumper is really messed up. And here's the damage. You can see the wheel is pointed in, so I'm gonna be addressing that right now. The best part about it, it's actually a manual, so I was really happy about that. I didn't know it was a manual until I got there to look at it. So yeah, it should be a fun rebuild. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and move it right here, and I'm going to get it jacked up, see the true damage and everything, and later today I'll be looking up some parts, seeing what estimates I can get, how much it's going to cost me to fix it, and try to do as much of the work myself as I can. Got everything moved. Gonna go ahead and start it, move it to the other side of the street. It is keyless, so tons of lights on the dash right now. But there is wastegate rattle too. But I'll move it to the other side and see the. Should be enough room to get a jack under, but we'll see. So I got the wheel off. Scared to look underneath here to see what the damage is, but let's both look at the same time. Nothing's jumping out at me unless I'm blind. I may just be blind. Everything looks pretty straight. Can't see too well with the rotor and everything still being on. So off the back, I don't really see much, which may be a bad sign or maybe a good sign. Hopefully nothing too serious, because I really, unless I'm blind, I really. So this thing is pretty sketchy. I got it all set up, raised it a little bit. I'm taking it to the shop now. I'm not going to try to record much because I need both hands on the wheel. It is shaky, but I'll be back when I get there.
Check out the front end too. You can see the hood. That's where all the pearls are at.
So we made it to the shop.
I want to go home and start putting this thing together. The trim, the black axles, the carbon.
Lifted it up a little bit, rolled the fenders out, quarter panels.
I know, right?
Bruh, this looks good.
Dude, go, bro.
This looks
What's up, bro? Damn. It only took 3 weeks. Dude, finally. Dude.
Damn.
Fucking like 3 months. No,
Look at that.
Section is that they didn't take off the door handle. That's why I took off everything, bro. Because I knew they won't take off stuff.
Damn.
I'm not. You can put your hand right here. If I go for spray.
This one, you think it runs?
Which one?
This one?
We drove it in here. Yeah.
Oh dang.
Just the belt snapped.
That's it? So I'm at this yard right now. I'm gonna get this door. Much better than what I have right now, so we'll see how this goes taking it off. This full cage. Is everything painted? There's another E92 up here. This one got fucked pretty hard. I think that's a E90. This might be E90, it looks like. Yeah. That's what 46 is. Let's go for it.
once again, talking about cars. Always talking about cars. Let's go. Ooh.
So I'm back in my car. It's looking pretty decent. I got the door for it. Can't wait to get this thing all cleaned up.